So today we're talking about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're just new to affiliate marketing, then please watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you the complete overview. I'm going to show you how to get approved to promote products, how to get traffic, everything. So please watch all the way through to the end and then come back to my channel and take a look around, as I have lots of different videos that talk about different strategies and ways to make money online. I review different products that I use in my own business, and just some good information on here. So definitely come back and take a look around my channel once you're done. So today we're talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing if you're a beginner. And so I just kind of want to quickly go over the sales process. This is something that is applicable to really earning money online. And the quick and short of it is you need to have traffic. These are just a couple examples. We'll talk about other traffic methods later in the video. And you need to be able to get that traffic to give them a reason to click through your affiliate link, which will take them to the product sales page. And if they make a purchase, then you earn a commission. Now, affiliate marketing commissions can vary quite a bit. Most are paid on a percent commission, and you can have on the low end, Amazon pays in the 1 to 3% range for affiliate commissions. And then there's other niches and affiliate platforms where you can make anywhere from 50% up to even 100% commissions when you make a successful sale. Now, some will also just pay straight out lump sums. I make a lot of affiliate commissions through recommending website hosting and also email autoresponder services. And those tend, especially the website hosting, they tend to pay out just a flat rate. So I use A2 hosting in my business, and I recommend A2 hosting, and they pay, I think I was grandfathered into the $85 per sale. And so I make usually every month, several $100s, and some months, several $1,000s. I mean, one month I made about $5,000 in hosting commissions. And so you can get affiliate commissions as a percentage, but also sometimes as a one-time lump payment. So let's talk about how you want to get this process set up. The very first thing you need to do is you need to choose a niche. This process works for any niche. In this video, we're going to talk about the Make Money Online niche. This is my favorite. I like making money online. I like helping people make money online. You're watching this video because you want to make money online. So it's a great niche, and that's what we're going to use for this video. But this method, it can work for really any niche, whether that's weight loss, relationships, self-help, spirituality, woodworking. It doesn't matter. It's any niche, this works. And so pick your niche first. Now, after you've chosen your niche, then you've got to find products to promote. So in the Make Money Online niche, there's lots of different ways to find products. One of them is through this website called Munchie. And Munchie is a website that shows Make Money Online product launches, meaning they're being sold to the public for the very first time. And so usually there's some contests, there's some lower pricing that's available to encourage sales, etc. And so you go through here on Munchie, and you can see they have the calendar. And so you can see, just as, even today, there were 7 different products that launched. Tomorrow, another 5. And then these are the affiliate platforms that they're being launched on. This is Warrior Plus, this is JVZoo, and they're the 2 big ones, okay? And when you open up one of these products, what you'll find is there's usually a JV page or affiliate page. If you click on that, that'll give you information about the product. It'll give you the pricing. It'll give you all the specifics of the launch. It'll talk about what the product is. Sometimes they're very vague and hard to know what the product is exactly. But it should go through, the funnel. So here's the funnel for the product, etc. And sometimes I have a demo as well. Okay. And so that's Munchie. So a great place to find Make Money Online products, right? And we did talk about how most of these are being launched on either JVZoo, which is just jvzoo.com. You can create a free affiliate account here. And Warrior Plus is the other big platform, which again, you can create a free account as well at Warrior Plus if you want to promote through Warrior Plus. A couple others to consider. ClickBank is great, free account here, and also Digistore 24. Now, both Digistore 24 and ClickBank, they have lots of different niches. So they definitely do the make money online niche, but you can see they also have a lot of different niches. So if you have a different niche, then you should be able to find lots of good products on Digistore, and same thing on ClickBank. Lots and lots of different niches, very similar to what they have on Digistore 24. The other nice thing I would say about Digistore 24 and ClickBank is you can get automatic approval for almost every product. So that makes it a lot easier if you're just getting started out. Because especially on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you do have to get approved for every product. But I'm going to show you a product that you can get instant approval for 100% commissions throughout the funnel over on Warrior Plus. So let's jump over to that. Well, first, I did want to just jump in. Let's just jump over to that product, okay? And that product is called Partner and Profit. Partner and Profit is a product from Michael Chaney. And basically what he does is he asks you to partner with him in promoting his products. So it costs you $10 to join Partner and Profit, so very low cost to get started. And that is going to give you automatic approval to promote his other product called the 7-Figure Affiliate System. And so you're going to get automatically approved. So if you purchase Partner and Profit for $10, you're going to get automatically approved to promote his 7-Figure Affiliate System. And you can see there's 6 products in the funnel. You get automatically approved for 100% commissions for every single product. So if you have someone that you send into the funnel and they buy every single product, then you could make over $400 through that funnel. So pretty nice. And you're automatically going to be approved. So you don't have to worry about approval. Because that's one of the biggest challenges new affiliates have. And this is, again, regardless of whatever niche you're in, the biggest challenge most new affiliates have is getting approved to promote a product. Because you don't have a track record, you don't have a sales record, you don't have any kind of stats to show what you've been able to sell. And so because of that, many times you're going to get denied. So that's the beauty of joining the Partner and Profit program for just $10, is that you're going to get automatic approval to promote 7-Figure Affiliate System, and you're going to be paid 100% commissions throughout the product. And so you're going to promote this 7-Figure Affiliate System, and it is a $10 product as well, with pricing that goes up throughout the funnel, as you can see here. So it's a great way to go ahead and get some automatic approval and get started, and get the sale process started, even if you don't have a track record. Okay. So lastly, we did want to talk about traffic. So you got to be able to get people, right, traffic to your affiliate link to the product page. So let's talk about traffic options. Basically, it's broken down into free traffic or paid traffic. Free traffic obviously does not cost you anything monetarily per se, but it definitely takes longer to get this traffic up and going. Usually several weeks, if not really several months. And so these are traffic sources like YouTube, which is a great traffic source for me. So if you're willing to make YouTube videos, and you can make videos without showing your face. Now I show my face because I think it helps connect with viewers, but you don't have to. I have lots of videos where I don't show my face. You can do a blog. Again, there may be a little cost there because you do have to have a domain and hosting. But beyond that, it's a very low-cost way to build up traffic. And these are my 2 main traffic sources right now. My YouTube, actually I have a few different YouTube channels, and I have several blogs. And in YouTube, I do make some money from the AdSense program, but by far my biggest earnings from my YouTube traffic come from promoting affiliate products. My blog is monetized right now primarily with Amazon affiliate products, where I'm making sales and commissions from Amazon, but as traffic builds, I'll get paid ads put on there as well. Now you can also use social media, forums, so social media, that could be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, there's a ton of them. And again, you do have to invest, quite a bit of time to build up these free traffic sources. Now, paid traffic, the benefit there is it happens much, much faster. Once you pay for that traffic, a lot of times it'll start almost instantaneously, certainly within hours, and definitely within a day. And you'll keep getting traffic, and as long as you keep paying for it. So lots of different ways to get paid traffic. Solo ads, they work real well for email marketing if you're trying to build an email list and pursue email marketing. And then obviously the different social media platforms have their own paid ads, so Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, Snapchat ads, whatever, Instagram ads, etc. You can do YouTube ads, Google search ads, and then really a sleeper is Bing ads. If you're wanting to get into paid traffic, I would definitely find a good course about using Bing ads. Now I think they just call it Microsoft ads. Definitely not as much traffic as Google for sure, but it is tends to be people that are a little more mature, they're more established in their job, they have disposable income to spend, and so it could be a really good paid traffic source if you're looking for paid traffic. So thanks again so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you can get more videos as they come out. And I wish you the best of luck as you get started in your affiliate marketing journey as a beginner. And leave me comments below if you have any questions I can help you with. Thanks so much.